In this video, we listed the 5 best doorbell camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tuya 1080p Wi-Fi Doorbell. The Tuya Smart Peephole camera has undergone several upgrades, including a resolution boost to 2304*1296p, 3MP, a new Type-C charging port, and the ability to adjust volume via the app. With a wide view angle of 166 degrees diagonal, this camera offers comprehensive visibility. It comes with a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery and supports Alexa, Google Press announcements. The Tuya Smart Battery Solar Outdoor Wi-Fi camera boasts features like Alexa and Google Live View capabilities, PIR detection, and a two-way intercom for enhanced security. The Tuya Smart 4.3-inch LCD digital peephole door viewer camera offers wireless connectivity, two-way intercom, and clear day and night vision. It supports TF card or cloud storage, adjustable volume, and long-lasting battery life. Installation requirements include a peephole and a door thickness of 35 to 145 mm. The Tuya Wi-Fi 1080p peephole door camera viewer provides high-resolution viewing, PIR motion detection, two-way audio intercom, and supports local event recording. With Alexa and Google Voice command functions, these smart peephole cameras offer convenience and security features for residential use. Number 2. Mini Tuya Smart Doorbell. The Tuya-powered peephole doorbell camera requires certain prerequisites before installation, such as using a normal 5V1A, 2A power adapter for a full charge, ensuring a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not compatible with 5 GHz, and following specific steps for setup with their Smart Life app. The Soho Security Store Tuya peephole camera features 1080p resolution, a wide viewing angle, a built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, and PIR detection for enhanced security. The product allows for wireless connection to a Wi-Fi router, enabling monitoring, intercom functionality, motion detection, and recording capabilities via the mobile app. The device boasts a 4.3-inch LCD screen for clear visibility, one-way intercom for convenience, long-lasting battery life, and support for both local and cloud storage options. Installation requires drilling a peephole within specific diameter and door thickness ranges. The camera offers a 120 degrees wide view angle and supports clear night vision up to 5 to 8 meters. Additionally, the product includes specifications such as wireless connectivity, motion detection via microwave radar, and compatibility with Tuya Smart or Smart Life apps. Number 3. Tuya Door Camera. The Tuya Smart Peephole Camera Wi-Fi Digital Door Viewer is a convenient and innovative security solution for your home. Featuring a built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery and a 4.3-inch monitor, this door viewer allows you to see and communicate with visitors at your doorstep easily. With features like Alexa and Google announcement support, two-way audio, video call capabilities, motion detection, and night vision, you can stay connected and vigilant at all times. The Wicker 7202 chip helps optimize power consumption and data processing speed, while the IPS screen ensures clear visual effects. The device also offers PIR motion detection, remote monitoring, and event or continuous recording options. Compatible with iOS and Android systems, the Tuya Smart Peephole camera is a versatile and reliable home security solution. Number 4. Elecpow Smart Tuya Doorbell. The 300PA Doorbell A is a versatile product designed for door thicknesses ranging from 35 to 110 mm and applicable peephole diameters of 17 to 65 mm. It features a 1080p HD video camera with a 4.3-inch display screen, built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery with low battery alarm, two-way audio communication, clear night vision, PIR motion detection, video call functionality, and support for SD card and cloud storage. The device is equipped with a long charging cable and requires a 5V1A charging head to prevent damage. Additionally, the doorbell is compatible with 2.4G Wi-Fi for remote monitoring and communication. The product emphasizes security and convenience with features like motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio communication, making it a comprehensive solution for home security. The Doorbell B offers similar features, including a 4.3-inch TFT color LCD screen, 1080p HD resolution, and PIR motion detection. Customers are provided with detailed instructions for installation and usage, ensuring optimal performance. Both doorbells come with extensive specifications and compatibility with smart home platforms like Tuya. Number 5. IMILAB Smart Video Doorbell. The IMILAB Smart Video Doorbell is a state-of-the-art security device that offers advanced features for home protection. It includes a 4MP HD camera with a wide 150 degrees viewing angle, high-performance IR night vision, and AI human detection for accurate visitor identification. The doorbell's motion sensor, along with instant alerts within 0.01 seconds, ensures timely notifications of any activity at your doorstep. Integration with smart home systems, two-way talk functionality, and customizable settings enhance user experience. With a long-lasting 5200 mAh battery, efficient AI chip, and IP66 waterproof rating, the doorbell combines reliability with eco-friendly design. This wired device, certified by CE and FCC, is a reliable choice for round-the-clock home security.